Hello, hello, hello. Curly Executive here, still in Milan. I am at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. Hope I'm saying that right. I've got Prada behind me, Louis Vuitton here. And why are we here? We're here to talk about marketing. We're here to talk about question 5 and 6 on my Cash Money questions. And they are both related to place. When we say place in marketing, we're talking about your distribution channels. The first question, where are your products distributed? Where are they being sold? Are they being sold in this beautiful shopping mall with all these other luxury goods? Are they being sold, at a convenience store down the street? That's okay too. I buy a lot of things from my convenience store. Where are they being sold, and does it make sense? If your target consumer is somebody who likes to purchase $2 or $3 things to save money on Amazon, like me and my husband, this is not where your product should be. Not here at all. But if your product is maybe gelato that tourists love, then maybe you should be here, because there's a lot of tourist here. So where is your target, and where do you need to be? Place. Question 5. Question 6, right? Now that we know where you are, I want to know where's one unexpected place that your consumer can find you. One unexpected place. This is important because if it's unexpected, it means that your competition is probably not there. So I want you to think of unexpected places. Now, that doesn't mean throw your product anywhere. Again, your cheapo product, not here, right? I want you to be in a place where your target consumer is. Now, if your cheapo product is perfect for tourists, you should be here. So again, I want you to think about that. What's one expected product? Just walking around today, we were at the Duomo. I hope you saw my first Cash Money question of the day, which was MVP. At the Duomo, there's actually bread being sold. It's a special Italian bread that's great for tourists. There's bread being sold in a shop that's a gift shop for a cathedral. That's a little unexpected. Another thing I saw, the mannequins around here. The mannequins, they actually have shoes. Hi! They have shoes. And these shoes are not necessarily from the store that they're selling apparel in. So you've got these mannequins with these shoes, and you're like, wait, those are shoes from Le Coq Sportif, which is a French brand, right? Why are they here in Italy? So if I'm Le Coq Sportif, that's a very interesting place, right? So maybe I'm hitting up all the various retailers that don't make their own shoes and saying, yo, I'll give you some shoes for free. Just put them on the mannequin so that they can be seen. I'll give you another one. Kiehl's products. I love Kiehl's products. I love everything about them. They're hella expensive. But guess what? They were in my local gym. And because they were in my local gym, I used them over and over and over again. And when I quit my gym, I bought those products. So again, where are you now? Where do you want to be? Where's an unexpected place that I can find you? Hopefully a place that meets your consumers' needs. Hopefully a place where you don't have so much competition. Those are number 5 and 6 on my free, I repeat, very free, not like anything in here, very, very free, Cash Money Questions worksheet. So be sure to go and download it, check it out, keep following these, keep following me, subscribe to my channel, and yo, say hi. We're on IG. You can be my friend. Be my friend.